I'm going to give you $1 billion startup opportunity if you deeply understand large language models and tools like Claude Code and Codex. So what is it? Providing consultant services to hedge funds and public equities investors on where AI is leaking its biases. Before you tell me, hey, consulting services not scalable, take a look at Semi-Analysis. They're a consulting firm working with hedge funds, and they do over $100 million per year. So let me tell you why this opportunity exists. Basically, every single public equity investor right now is using AI in its research process. And all of these guys know for a fact that there is biases and consensus being leaked into any sort of AI result. So what's happening in terms of the market structure right now is consensus is shifting quite significantly away from, say, sell-side research or away from traditional sources of how to measure consensus into large language model answers. And historically, there has been a lot of advisory services to these hedge funds providing where consensus is, but using different market structures. And I work with some of the largest hedge funds in the world for my company, Wall Street Prompt. And one big demand that I see from these guys is, hey, how do I actually determine where the consensus is? And where do I determine where biases are leaking both towards institutional investors as well as the retail participation in the markets? And if you can help these investors really understand where biases are coming from and where consensus is, they're able to make 100 times the fees that whatever you charge them. So check this out. And once you make $1 billion, credit this video.